Hello, we all know that every baker needs to start from somewhere. So here are some of the few things that you will need to start baking at home. You will need clear glass bowls of different sizes. I prefer to use glass bowls because it is easier to clean off the oily butter from it. The next part is on the measuring cups and measuring spoons. The cups go from a cup all the way down to a tablespoon, and the spoons help you differentiate between a tablespoon and a teaspoon of measurement. You'll also need a pastry brush and an egg yolk separator. And the next part is on the mixing tools. I've chosen to include the rolling pin, the whisk, and the sieve in this part, as well as an electric mixer. I would prefer you start off with a stand mixer to help you save your energy. However, if you're trying to be on a budget, this is a good mixer to have. On the cake tins, you will need specifically 3 that I recommend, which is a 10-inch, 8-inch, and a 6-inch circle pan. You can also have a square 10-inch to be able to draw out more shapes from it. You can also use the detachable cake tins, which I specifically use them for ice cream cakes where I don't have to alter with the outwards appearance of the cake. You'll also need a loaf tin and cupcake trays. This is a part 1 of the basics of everything that you would need. Stay tuned for more as I guide you on how to bake as a beginner. I'll start with the easy recipes and we'll keep on progressing therefore, and I'm here for the treats and the drinks. So kindly consider to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.